Hello everyone and welcome back to Lazi-Low Collectibles and welcome back to a brand new video. This week on the turntable we have this Corgi Toys bubble car, Heinkel 1/4 diecast restoration. So let's see what we can do with this little bubbly car. Here we go, after the turntable. This is our car for this video. This is a Corgi Toys Heinkel 1 and this is 232. I've got a windscreen, a replacement windscreen from Martin, my good friend, at Martin Dares Dinky Restorations on YouTube. If you want to look this up, he's the governor of our community, and he's a really good restorer. So if you haven't seen any of his videos yet, please go ahead to his channel. You won't be disappointed. So this is my car for this video. I've got replacement tires, and as I said, I've got the replacement wings. I have previously restored this BMW Isetta by Spot On, and I'm quite happy because now I'm going to have a brother or sister next to it. This is, I think, from the 50s, from Heinkel. And they were very similar to these BMW or BMW. So I'm quite excited to restore this one as well, because I will have them together. I think they look fantastic. This also called the bubble car. So I will take this apart. There is one small rivet in here, and I will put a rivet when I finished. So I will drill this out and we'll see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this one. I don't even need any tools for this. So that I drilled out, and it should slide out from the back, which it does. So let's put that down. Let's see what we have. We have a suspension here, which we don't really want to force too much, because they can bend and then it will not work. So I think what I'm going to do is I need to get this out somehow. So I will try to pull the rod out to be able to take this out, at least one. So I will try that, and then I can slide this out. So I will try that. We have an interior, which is this very thin plastic, but it looks good. I think it might missing a little bit here, but I think this might be a factory error. They have too much on this side and they got nothing on that side. But let's see if this is actually doing any. I think it's gonna be all right. It will sit there properly. So I've got the steering wheel, and I've got this windscreen, which is the broken one, and courtesy of Mr. Martin there, I've got another one. So let's try this windscreen, and look, it's perfect. So this has been sitting in my drawers for 3 years, waiting for a new windscreen. So that's the chassis, which is pretty simple. So I need to deal with this, and I've got the new windscreen. The old one, I think I will keep, but it's pretty bad. But maybe I need the front for something else, so I will keep that. That's the new one, I mean a refurbished one. And that's the interior. And that's the base, which will go into the paint stripper. And I will try to remove at least one of these rods. I think the front I can take out. I can try that, but the back definitely I'll have to do something. So I will come back with the results. Actually, this was easier than I thought. So the rod just come out. So I think I can. Let me move this box because the camera is focusing on that one. So if I cannot do that, I will remove the other rod as well. What I've done is I pushed the rod up with the axle. I don't know if I can show you, and I can grab that with this. Let me see. Actually, if I can do it here. No, I need to push that up a little bit. And I can grab it with this, and I can just pull it out. Let me grab the rod. So I've got the rod, and look, I can just pull that out. The small wheel is already out, so I've got the other rod as well. So now these coming out easy, and I think I will leave these as it is. And we got the small tire, and I've got the pin somewhere. I could hear it dropping, so I need to find that. But I've got the little tire, and this tire is good. I have more, so anyway, that was easy. So I think the putting back will be the same, but I will restore this first. And I need to be very, very careful with these rods, so I'm not going to lose them. So they will go into that box, so as these little ones. Paint stripping is finished, so I need to do now, I need to fit the rivet. So what I need to do is I need to measure how much space I have here. I've got 5 millimeters, and let's see how deep I can go. You see, roughly around here. So if I put this here, I can see that I possibly can go down about 5-6 millimeters. So this is a smaller rivet, so I think I might be able to use the smallest rivets I have. As you can see, I think I need to put this away because the camera is focusing on that, but as you can see, that will do. So that will cover. I don't want to use the bigger one, to be honest with you. That's enough, I think. So let's see what we have here. That's 2. If I don't push too hard, that's 2.4. I don't know if you can read this, if you're able to read this, but you can see 2 millimeters and then the 0 after a little bit. So then you're gonna see not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Actually 35 in there. So that's 2.35. This is how you can read using this tool. So that's 2.35. So I need a 2.5 millimeter drill bit so I can make a nice hole. So I need to drill 2.4 here, 2.5. And then we can put the rivet in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the base on. I think I have a little hole already there, but I will use a small drill bit to make a start, and then I'm going to use the 2.5, and then I'm going to put the rivet in. I will show you when I'm done. Easy peasy, all done. As you can see, it will sit nicely. So that rivet will hold the base. So that is all done. I might go a little bit deeper, but looks like it doesn't go any deeper than that. Anyway, when I put the glue in, it will hold the car, so that should do. So that's all done. So that's ready for painting, working on painting, and I will get back with the details. So assembly time, but before we do that, let's take a closer look what we've done. So this is the windscreen, and when I've done a test fit, something happened to the glass. Don't know what that is. It might be the pillar. The interior I didn't touch, I just washed it up. I think it's a misprint. As you can see, here is really thick. Here is nothing left. So, but anyway, it's okay. This is the base, so I managed to put the rods back, and it stands all right. And that's the chassis itself. I've got the details done, which I think really looks good. So the only thing I need to do now is to put it together. So let's place a small napkin here. I don't have a magic carpet like Martin, so I'm just going to use this. So windscreen first, and then the interior. I should have a magic carpet as well, like Martin does. And I've got, yeah, this interior is a bit tatty, as you can see, but there's nothing I can do with that. So I just try to put it in so it won't go anywhere. And then I slide the back first, and then just drop it down, and I will put a little glue in there, and I will put the rivet in. That should be enough. And I've got the rivet, which is really small, but I tried to put it in for the first attempt. I have a tweezle, but last time I've used the tweezle and it was more difficult than without. Anyway, I can use a toothpick to put that in, and then just move it with that. So that should be in. So I leave that to dry for a while, and then I'll put this on the turntable. Just a reminder what we started with. This is the Corgi Toys Heinkel 1 bubble car before restoration, broken windscreen, chipped paint, missing tires, and ta-da, this is the car, or motorbike really, I don't know. After restoration, I think it looks fantastic. I'm really happy, and I will pair this up with my BMW Isetta in the cabinet. I hope you did like this little Heinkel 1 bubble car on the turntable. I'm really pleased. I think it looks fantastic. I'm really happy. I think it looks great. The rivet dried, so that's done. And just if you stay for one moment, I'll show you something else. So I've got two bubble cars now, if you would like to call them. This is the BMW or BMW Isetta, and that's I've done before. And now I've got the bubble car, the Heinkel. So I'm really happy with these. I finish off the video like this. I'll put the camera into my hand. I really like these two. I think they look fantastic, and they are really pretty, and they will be a nice addition to my collection. So thank you guys for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please leave comments down below. What do you think of this restoration or the previous ones? So thank you for watching this one, guys. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Sit back, relax, and watch Lazi-Low Collectibles as usual. So cheers, guys. Take care, and bye-bye.